Welcome to our next class, students. Let's continue with chapter number 2. Last week we have done question number 11. Two parts I made you do. So let's start with question number 11, third part. See, this is the given question. Mixed fractions are given. So let's change it. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20 by 8. 10 2s are 20 plus 3 is 23 by 10. Then you can take LCM of 8 and 10. That will be 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 into 20 is 100. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 into 23 is 92. You will get 192 by 40. So you can convert them into the lowest form. You will get 24 by 5 and then change it to the mixed fraction. Then fourth part 4 by 5. This is what division of the fraction. So 4 over 5 divide. When you change this, 5 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 by 5. How to divide the fraction? Division sign will change to multiplication and you have to reciprocate it. It will become 5 by 12. Now you can convert it to the lowest form. Your answer is 1 by 3. Next is fifth part. Fifth part is 2 by 5. As it is, change this mixed fraction 3 by 2 minus 7 by 9. LCM of 5, 2 and 9 is 90. 90 divided by 5 is 18. 18 2s are 36. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 45 3s are 135. 90 divided by 9 is 10. 10 7s are 70. So children, when you add these two, you will get 171 minus 70. Your answer is 101 by 90. That's equal to 111 over 90. 12th question. You have from a rope 11 meter long, two pieces, one of this length, one of this length, you have to cut off. Meaning you have to find the length left. See how to write the statement. Total length is this. Length of first piece is this. Length of second piece is this. So these two lengths we have to cut off from 11. So the length left is equal to 11. Cut off means you have to subtract. Minus 13 by 5 minus 33 by 10. Now you take LCM. LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. 10 divided by nothing is there. 1 is there. 10 divided by 1 is 10 only. 10 11s are 110. Minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 13s are 26. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 into 33 is 33. 110 minus minus plus. When you add both, it will be 59. Clear? So 110 minus 59 is 51 over 10. Convert it to mixed fraction. That will be your answer. Question number 13th. 13th question is a drum full of rice. Okay. The weight of rice plus drum is given to you. Then after empty drum, weight of empty drum is also given. That is 55 by 4. See children, weight of rice plus drum is 241 by 6 and weight of empty drum is 55 by 4. What you have to find weight of rice. So very simple. From rice and drum, if we subtract the weight of drum, what we are left with? We are left with the weight of rice only. So this will be equal to 241, the total weight of rice and drum minus the weight of drum. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 into 241 is 482. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 55 is 165. So after subtraction, you will get this answer and then change it to the mixed fraction. Next is divide the sum of, you have to find sum of this and this. Clear? Divide the sum of these two fractions with their difference. So let's find out sum and difference of these two fractions. So sum of these two fractions we are going to find out. Clear? 12 and 3. LCM is 12. 12 divided by 12 1. 1 into 65 65. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 8s are 32. So this is what sum. Now let's find out difference also. Clear? Difference for the same. LCM of 12 and 3 is equal to what? 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 65 minus 32. That's equal to 33 by 2. Now the question is divide this with this. Clear? So when you divide and you know how to divide the fractions, this division sign will change to multiply and you have to reciprocate it. It will become 12 by 33. See, 12 and 12 will get cancelled. You are left with 97 by 33 and then you can change it to the mixed fraction. Units compulsory to write. Clear? Next is question number 15. The cost of 15 maths books are given. 370, 1 by 2. Change this mixed fraction. then you know the rate of many things and you have to find rate of one thing. So this is the case of division. You will divide this with 15. Clear? So 741 by 2 into 1 over 15. You will reciprocate it. They both will cancel. Clear? Cancel them. You are left with 247 by 10. That can be written as 24.70, or you can write it in mixed fraction also. Okay. 16th question. The sum of this and this you have to find out. Subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. So let's find out sum of these two fractions in the same way, children. Clear? LCM 22. 22 divided by 11 is 2. Into 36 is 72 with negative sign. 22 divided by 2 is 1. 1 into 49, 49. Now beta, minus plus is minus. Subtract it. You will get 23, and sign of greater number minus will come with this answer. Now let's find out sum of this and this, as we are asked to do this. So this will be equal to 33 by 8 plus what to add in it? Minus 19 by 4. Open the bracket, plus minus 19 by 4. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 into 33 is 33. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 into 19 is 38. Plus minus 38 minus 33 is 5, and sign of greater number. Now ATQ means according to question. What we were asked? We were asked to subtract this value from this value. That only I am going to do. Minus 5 by 8 minus what to subtract? Minus 23 by 2. Now open the bracket, minus will become plus. Minus 5 by 8 plus 23 by 22. Take LCM. It will be 88. 88 divided by 8 is 11. 11 5s are 55 with minus sign. Plus 88 divided by 22 is what? 4. 4 into 23 is 92. Minus plus minus. Subtracted 37. Sign of greater number. Now the next is 17th question. By what number should this be divided? By what you have to divide this? Let that number is x, so as to get minus 11 by 2. See children, nothing in the denominator means 1 is there. So minus 33 by 8, this division sign will change to multiply, and x over 1 will become 1 over x is equal to minus 11 by 2. Now we need to find the value of x. Clear? So for that what you will do? Look here, this x we will take here and transpose 2 here and minus 11 this side. Clear? Now cuttings can be done. 11 and 33 will get cancelled. Minus will get cancelled. And 2 4s are 8. What your answer is? X is 3 by 4. Okay? Now, next is last question of this exercise. Convert to decimal. Divide 42 with 9. So 9 4s are 36. 12 minus 6, you are left with 6 only. Then put 0. For that we will put here decimal. Now 9 6s are 54. Again you are left with 6. Again you will put 0. Then again 9 6s are 54. So you can see 6 will appear again and again. So what is the decimal formation? It will be 4.666 and so on. 6 will repeat, or you can write it as 4.6. Next is minus 1 by 37. So write here 1. Divide it with 37. Not divisible. So for that I put a 0. 1 0 I put for that decimal. Still 10 is less than 37. Then we'll put one more 0. It will become 100. And when you are taking two digits together, we need to put here 0. Now 37 2s are 74. Subtract it. It is 26. Then 26 is less than 37. Again we'll put here 0. Now 37 7s are 259. We are left with 1. Then we will put 1 0. Again beta 10 is less than 37. Then one more 0 we will put. If we take two digits together, we will put here 0 again. Now you can see 100 appeared again. Now same process. Again 37 2s are 74. You are left with 26 0. Then it will go with 7. So 0 2 7 0 2 7. It will keep on repeating. So your answer is 0.027. With this beta, your second chapter is complete. Now we'll continue with exercise 1.2. Okay, that is left. We'll continue with 1.2. Okay beta, we are left with 1 or 2 exercises of this chapter that I will send in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.